Is there any girl in the comment section who want to be my grown flex, my ride or die, my day one? You know what I mean? Is there any girl out there? Is there any girl? Is there any girl want to be my day one? Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, Chips and Bugzy is back at it again, dog. The unity is real, brother. It's not a one-off thing. Chips and Bugzy have dropped projects, brother. I like that. So Chips and Bugzy, grown flex. Chips and Bugzy Malone, grown flex. Guys, you might see me look a bit different. I cut off my hair.
I never me tell you go do it. I never me send you go do it.
I cut off my hair. I'm not get the lineup yet. Like, I soon get the lineup. Now, what you say? I soon get my lineup. But on the gaming channel, obviously I cut off my hair Saturday. I stream on Saturdays also. On the gaming channel, which is the link down below. The name is up there. They've been calling me lots of names, guys. They've been calling me lots of games. They've been mean to me. Them call me, them say me have ball's head. My head shaped like a testicle. Them say my head shaped like a knee cup. Them say me favor Piccolo. Look at Piccolo. Look at Piccolo. Look at Piccolo. Which papa me favor Piccolo?
Oh hell
no. Them say me favor what them say again? Me favor Jamaican Hitman. Look on Hitman head. Look on Hitman head. Them say me favor Charlene Monk. Them a beat me over there. Them say drunkard draw breaks in my head all because me not get a line of people. Drunkard draw breaks in my head.
Why you do it, Drunkard?
What's all with the animosity? Well, I don't mind still. I don't mind. I take my beating. I take my roast. Because when I'm roasting people, I roast them. I don't ram. So I cut off my head just for my decision. I wanted to do it long time anyway. But we're not going to talk much about my head. And please don't roast me in the comment section. Okay? Alright, don't roast me in the comment section. So, let's go, guys. Let's jump straight into this and do it. Let's go.
My baby, my love, my bob, my slime, my boo, my friend.
Wait. This is an old school beat, right? This is an old school beat and look like Fanatics because it said Fanatics remake it. Bang, okay. Them say my love, my boo, my Hold on, I can start from top. Let's go. A lot of you younger guys probably not gonna, well, you should recognize this because this is an anthem. This song is an anthem in the UK. This beat is an anthem in the UK, so you should know this. Yeah, Fanatics. So Fanatics is the same producer them where they do Stylo G. I'm just touched down in at the airport that hit there from Stylo G. So big up Fanatics. Big up on yourself.
My baby, my love, my bob, my slime, my boo, my friend. The man them bust out. I press me and you in the end.
My boo, him call her all of the good names under the sun. Big up the ladies, them. I know sometimes I come across a bit hard on you guys, but big up on yourself, see me. I love you. Yeah, on my baby, you see me? So, yeah, basically, this is a girl tune. So, let's go.
If you forgive me once, you never have to forgive me again, yeah. My ex was a 7 or 8. Could you be my 10? And if my...
If you forgive me once, you don't have to forgive me again because me not go fuck up again. Me not go mess up again. And him saying X is a 7 or a 8. That's why she's an X. X mark the spot. But you are a 10. I don't think I ever meet a 10 out of 10 girl. I never meet. That is a perfect girl, Chip. She's perfect, Chip. If she's 10 out of 10, she's perfect.
My baby ready, got a baby. I'm a lover child like she mine, yeah. Young and wavy, but I'm almost ready. You can have some more, just give it time, yeah.
If my baby already have a baby, me I go love her like it's my child. That is what Chip said. So the girl daughter or son, I go be film, him I go take it on the week. But certain man I go like that chip. Cause certain man I go have them, you know, I up on them feeling same way. Cause me know a few man stay so. Let's go.
My baby, my love, my pop, my slime, my boo, my friend. All I need in this life is sin, is family, God, and you are my pen.
Only thing I need in life is you, God, and my pen. Only thing I need in what I'm saying?
You, my friend. All I need in this life is sin, is family, God, and you are my pen.
Only thing him need, you, God, family, and him pen. I need nobody else. He don't need nobody else. He don't need nobody else. He might tell you that him pen is very important to him, so he's not left with him pen. Cause we know Chip's pen skill is bad.
Win or lose, baby, please don't judge. You ain't been in my shoes. Make a couple ends and that's a meal for you.
Make a couple ends and that's a meal for you. Who is this girl? Can somebody leave her? Because I think she's singing also, right? But I don't see her in the title, so I'm not sure what's going on there. If she's just a video girl or she's actually singing part of it.
Paris reservations, that's a meal for two. And if I hit one knee, say you'll never leave.
If I hit my knee, that means you will never leave. So if I injure myself, you're still gonna hold me down and have my back same way. You see me? I hope she's there if you got prison too. If you should go prison, I hope she's there.
Would you be there for me? Through sickness and through health, would you still care for me? Through all of my darkest nights, but nobody there for me.
Yo, when is the club? When is clubs in the UK gonna open back up again? Because the first weekend of a club open up in the weekend is gonna be problems, right? We all know that. We all know it's gonna be issues. It's gonna be problems. Club is gonna be overrammed. Club is gonna be overpacked. Club is gonna be a mad. The girl them go out, the man them go out, everybody go out, all my granny go out, everybody go out. Like really and truly. Let's go, bro. But I'm waiting for Bugzy part as well, cause you know them two are my artists them still. Thugs them are rolling in a dog. The thugs them are rolling, them have a vibes. It's gonna be turned up right now. Let's go.
Yo, my baby, my ride, and my date, I ain't gotta say much.
My baby, my ride, my dear one, me not have to say much, baby. Me not have to say much. You don't know you govern, you over there, so you're me G, you hold me down, you see me, pillar talk, everything. Sit down and chat people every day and me not hear it back. You know what? Yeah, pillar talk, and the girl have a pillar talk. Yeah, let's go.
Felt like a test in the beginning, but then we got an A+. I love your mama, your nanny, your sister, the way you raised you. Can we?
Me love your auntie, your mother, your sister, your aunt, everybody will raise you. Me love them. Me love the way how them raise you. Them do a good job. Big up yourself, mommy. You do a good job. You produce a princess, and now she's a queen. Yo, big up the girls, them dog. Big up the girls, them bro.
We have a little boy or a girl soon, and we done Paris, the crib is a bone palace. I don't really run for nothing, but I run over there like, give me your number, miss.
I don't really run for nothing, but I run over there like, give me your number, miss. Or like, what's up? Hi, on love, hello, darling, there. And then the little things the girl want for hear, they don't want for hear. Psst, hey, come over here, dog. You think she gonna come? Get out of here. Forget them, woman nowadays. You have to use it and just flat up your ear like, I have rhymes too in a dog. Don't think me not no rhymes in a chip. Man never run out of bars in a box. Don't think in a bro. Let's go.
Match that made her wifey. I know we've got matching Pradas, but then we never have matching Nikes. And you know she's a real one when she don't care if you're counting M's or 10s and 5s.
That is a real girl. That is a real girl. She's been there from you now have nothing. She's been there from your sign on. She's been there from the government to look after you. No, you look after people in your community as a dads. You see me? She's been there from one of them have matching Nike here. No have matching Prada. So it's not about the money for she, dog. It's not about the money for she. She's the day one will have your back and all of those good stuff. You know what I mean? Big up the loyal girl, them dog.
Ma,
Stick or move, win or lose. Baby, please don't judge. You ain't been in my shoes.
Baby, please don't judge me. You haven't been in my shoes, so if I mess up one time, I'm sorry. Like, but we're not gonna mess up again. The girl who I sing nice to you, dog. Our voice so nice to that.
Make a couple ends and that's a meal for you. Paris reservations, that's a meal for two. And
Yeah, the man bring on local place, you know. Paris reservation, that's a meal for. No, that's 4. 1, 2, 3. That's a meal for 2. That's a meal for 2. Paris reservation. Yeah, we are going to Paris, dog. Let's go. Let's go.
If I hit one knee, say you'll never leave. You see how I'm there for mine, would you be there for me?
A be a light skin girl, man, I'm using that video, them, you know. A be a light skin girl, you know. Yeah, big up the ladies, them, yeah, man. From all walks of life, yeah, man. No matter how you shape, man, there's somebody out there for you, ladies. Just go out there and find your king and be someone queen, dog. You see me? Big up on yourself, my G's.
Through sickness and through health, would you still care for me? Through all of my darkest nights, but nobody there for me.
So basically, she's been there from where I've can't be from bread. She's been there from stressed out and under bare pressure to do certain things. She's seen me up, she's seen me down, she's seen me crossway, she's seen me everywhere. She's seen me. Yo, big up the light. Me can't stop big up the girls, them, dog. Me have to big up the girls, them, bro. Let's go. Yo, this is a banger, bro. This is a banger. This cold, bro. This cold. This is a banger. I'm glad to them go back for the old school beat. Also, brother. I'm go back for the old school beat, dog. This is a banger. Fanatics, big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself, brother. Yo, like when Chip try a thing like him can dance. Chip, you know you can dance. Just stick to your spent kill. Me say leave the dancing to me. You deaf, brother? Leave the dancing to me, brother. You deaf? Me know you watch this reaction video. Cause you watch reaction video and you repost my video already. Chip, big up yourself, dog. You understand? You don't know some respect for you up there, you know, dog. So don't think of some joke thing or some or some cloud chasing thing in a G. I'm a G, you see me? Yeah, Bugzy, I'm a G too in a G. Don't think a joke thing in a Bugs. Oh, let's go. And next thing again, you can see that these two, Bugzy and Chip, actually rated each other from day one, dog. But, you know, because probably you have friends in your ears that say, yo, clash him, bro. Because you are, you know, that's what friends do. Because you can see the chemistry on the screen, dog. I'm sure them is like this off screen. I'm sure. You see me, the unity is strong. I love it, dog. I love it. Yo, is there any girl in the comment section who want to be my grown flex, my ride or die, my day one? You know what I mean? Is there any girl out there? Is there any girl? Is there any girl want to be my day one? Let's go. Just asking for a friend. Yo, bad video. Memories, bring back memories, dog. You see me? Memories to all. If you know, it bring back memories to the people that will know about the UK. This is like a garage beat, right? This is the old school garage beat, right? That is really the music I forward from far, dog. So big up the UK man, them in the place. Big up the UK ladies, them. You can't stop big up on yourself. And yo, it's just an next banger. This is like a banger, bro. This is gonna go down in the history books. This one gonna may have strong feelings about this one, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, my socials are up there. Guys, if you don't follow, if you're not on Twitch, please follow me on Twitch, dog. I really want to grow my Twitch channel, so please help me out. Just share the thing. And Chip, big up on yourself. Bugzy, big up on yourself. You see me? But people, my out here. Yeah, that is out. Ballad.